One of the reasons why curly girls struggle to define their natural curl pattern is because they want to use more product than they do water. And the key here is using more moisture than product, because water defines the curl pattern and your product sets the curl pattern in its shape. You want your hair dripping, soaking wet, as you saw in the previous video. Do not towel dry your hair. Do not dry your hair at all. You want to come straight from the faucet if you are at home, or straight from the bowl if you are at a salon, dripping, soaking wet. Do not towel dry your hair. You go straight into styling with your choice of product. I like the Moroccan Oil Curly Curl Mousse because it's very lightweight and it caters to any texture. I have used this on the curliest, waviest hair, and it still defines the curls so beautifully and effortlessly. One of the most misconceptions about a wash and go is people actually thinking it's a wash and go. No, it's not. It never has been. I am going to be taking tiny subsections, as you see in the video, to apply my product, which has already been applied, but just using my fingers to detangle and smoothen that product evenly throughout her strands in order for her curl pattern to pop. And I will continue this throughout her entire head. So there is no such thing as no wash and go, which is why a lot of you have been let down when you have tried to wash and go. Before diffusing, I did place my client under the dryer in order to set her style in its place that she had chosen. And also, if your client does not wish to achieve volume, you will continue diffusing your client's hair in this state. However, my client does want to achieve volume, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I had her to scoot down and rest the back of her neck on my chair, because in order to achieve volume, you want to over direct the hair from the way that it naturally lays. And then in my next video, I'm going to have her to whip her hair forward in order to achieve even more volume. And then in my next video, she's gonna whip it left or right in order to achieve maximum volume. And also, this also helps with the drying process, because whenever you are drying, when the hair is just flat to your head, it can take a very long time to dry these curls. Also, too much product in your hair will also take a long time to dry your curls. That's a telltale sign that you have too much product in your hair. And now I'm just finishing up the shape that we created, and now we are done. And she loved it, I loved it, and it's just so effortlessly beautiful.